Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to create an automatic category by type. So we will want to log into our Shopify dashboard. From there, we will go to products and we will go to collections. This will open our collection menu where we can create a collection. From here, we will name our collection. You can add a paragraph and we will do a smart category. Here we will choose what the condition is for our collection. For this one, we're doing that under collection. So every product that is listed here needs to be the price less than $100, and it will add all of the products that are under this. If we wanted to add an image, we could do that here. And we have our publishing sales channels to the right. This will show up on our online store, our shop and buy button, and our point sale. From here, we will click save. So here we'll see that it is updated to every product that is less than $100 is in this category. We can view this on the store where we have our under 100 and we have the products that are under $100. You can also do additional filter and filter your products how they also look by availability, price, color, and size. So that is how you create an automatic category collection by type.